Good morning, good morning, good morning. Donut Derelicts live. What is going on this morning, everyone? Hope everyone's having a really nice Saturday so far. Lots of cars and lots of people this morning. We got Eric rolling and doing his thing. Really nice Plymouth right in front here. Got a couple cars pulling in. Let's see who we got.
Big cataract.
Nice caddy. Pulling in. Couple cars pulling in. Nice 57. Super nice 57. Eric doing his thing over there. Like I said, really nice Plymouth over here. I wanted to hit up Eric about his, oh, that's okay. Sorry about that. Got the palm fronds on the top. Connie, good morning. Yep. Nah, just throw some more palm fronds on the top. You're good. Right? Yeah, you're good.
Oh, thank you.
Dylan doing his thing. Dylan, if they want to follow you on Instagram, where do they go?
A lot of them.
Good morning for
Steve
Dylan.
and Dano, all the guys.
Oh, I didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Dylan's got an Instagram and all that stuff too.
Well,
Doing his deal.
It takes every once in a while.
We should make sure he, Dylan, you want to walk around? Looks like he's busy doing his stuff. All right. Good looking Chevelle right here too. Let's check it out. I want to come over here and check out this Impala too. That's a big old car. Paul, good morning. Omar, thanks for watching. Cool ride rolling in. Get out of the way before we get hit here. It's like a cool maroon color. I thought it was black when it rolled in. Very nice. Looks like he's trying to get a spot over here. Wanted to come over and check out the Impala. Morning from Wyoming. Good morning. It's got the cool little steering wheel. Little lowrider beads. Yo. What have you seen so far this morning that you like a lot?
There's a lot. I like the Corvette Nomad.
The Corvette Nomad's always a favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
If people want to follow you on Instagram, where do they go?
No.
If people want to follow you on Instagram, where do they go?
Right?
What's your Instagram
Really? Is that
name?
what they've told you?
Isn't that true?
What is the name on here?
Rock and Cruise 55.
Rock and Cruise 55. Cool.
Imagine hitting that on your face.
Nice. Excellent. Make sure you guys all go over and to Instagram and follow Dylan. He's got some really cool stuff on there. Comes to donuts quite often, actually. I want to go over here. Darren from DWS brought this guy. Really nice car. What's up, Mike? How you doing?
Nice Cornet, huh?
Yeah, it's really nice.
A little racy race.
Sounded really nice when it pulled in too.
Is this Darren?
Yes, it is. Yeah. Yeah.
I do that all the time. I'm not paying attention.
It's very loud. Good morning. How you doing?
Morning.
Really nice cornet.
Get it back, open up. See, told you, there's a transformer in there.
Very loud and really nice. Sure, no problem. This Mustang's pretty cool. It's a very unique color. I thought it was like a grayish color when I pulled in, but it's kind of like a flat bluish color, kind of. Pretty cool. Brad, AZ. Good morning, Brad.
I do that with people all the time.
A couple bikes up here in front too. A few people cruising around, mulling around. 57 with the blower sticking out of the hood over here. If you're into that. Good morning. We got a LS Swap Vego here. It's pretty cool. Seen a few times on here. Morning, sir.
Morning.
How you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Excellent. What year's your Vega here? 71, 72? 72. Very cool. Good looking car. 55 rolling in. Yeah, it's got a LS in it from DP Chevy. It's a really nice Vega. Got Eric's panel over here, which he daily drives, which is pretty cool. Super, super clean. Really nice caddy. Doesn't get much nicer than these. Look at that thing. Wow, right around the corner. I'll be there chilly. Your dog and I will watch from the couch. That's cool. Well, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Oh, looks like we got Willie rolling in. Good looking bus too if you're into the buses. Talk about a really nice caddy. Maroon. Got the big old white walls on it. Bullet grill. Doesn't get much cleaner than this. Wow, it's nice. Wow, beautiful car. Sure is a beauty. And then you got Paul's caddy over here. He's sitting in the back having some coffee. It's like the chauffeur caddy. Catalicious. That's funny. Morning for NY. Ron, morning. Two-door wagon, that's pretty cool. Got the Donut Derelicts sticker on the wing window. Got the Power Tour sticker. Look at the super clean engine compartment on this Nova. Wow. Man, that's clean. Oh, they got the supports in there. Cleaned up the firewall. Cleaned up the inner fenders. Man, they did a really nice job on that. No donuts. Vic, thanks for watching. I really like the pattern of these seats. You can see the detail on that. It looks like a little tree or something. Really nice seats. And they even took it down into the console. That's really nice. NSX. That's pretty cool. And you guys are into like the Radwood style or 80s and 90s cars are kind of becoming popular now, some of them at least. It's kind of cool. They sprayed the accent of this thing with like a purple. Got the Dano sticker on it. That's pretty cool. Morning, how you doing? Morning. Really cool interior. Good looking 58 too. Full brown 58. You got the wood clad Ranchero. The single cab dually too. Single cab square body dually. Don't see those too often. Good looking wheels on it too. Any 58 fans out there? And if I'm not mistaken, if I remember correctly, this is a one-year car. So people either like or hate the 58 with the dual headlights. Good sounding Roadrunner. Really nice sounding Roadrunner. Cool mint green Ford truck. That's really nice. Make sure we get a Jason and Dylan's truck in here. Get a better picture of it here. We got the proper Dano Live sticker in there. Got some cool stuff on the dash in there. Good looking truck. Got it painted like a dark green, like an army green almost. Steve and his wife's 74 Corvette, 75, I always forget. They are the original owners of this car. Pretty cool. We got rolling in here. Cool truck. That's really cool. Starting to see a lot more 80s and 90s style trucks. Got Charlie's 57. You got Johnny's 56. And then you have Johnny's brother's convertible over here. It's like a Tri-5 explosion over here. Let's see if we can get a better shot here. There we go. Johnny's brother's car is real nice too. Really clean convertible. Got the skirts on the back. It's all like a personal taste thing. Some people like it, some people don't. Johnny's car, 56 no post car. Johnny's brother's car over here. Super clean, original. 57 convertible car. Good morning from Sweden. Morning. Good morning, Sweden. Thanks for watching. Then you got Charlie's ride right here. 57 no post car as well. Yo.
Good turnout today.
What's that?
It's a good turnout.
Yeah, with the fog rolling in, I wasn't sure.
Paparazzi Plaza.
Yeah, so what's the deal with Paparazzi Plaza?
That's my YouTube.
Tell us about it.
My Facebook and all.
Let me guess, there's puppies on it and dogs.
Dogs and cars, baby.
I like it.
I got 25 subscribers so far.
Nice. That's pretty cool.
Only 99,975
Yeah.
more than you get paid.
1.5 million.
There you go. Well,
You'll get there.
I really see some videos just like
you gotta start somewhere.
yes,
Right? Oh, I know.
Cool little yellow and white Metropolitan. Wow, let's go check out this lifted yellow truck over here rolling in. That's kind of interesting. Oh, check this bad boy out. Damn. Wonder what kind of chassis they put this thing on. Like a Suburban or like a full-size Chevy or Ford. There you go. For his Paparazzi Plaza right there. Studebaker truck. Huh. That's interesting. That's something you don't see every day. Studebaker truck. To see an old lifted truck is kind of uncommon, but a Studebaker truck.
Body length extension he put under it.
Yeah.
He just like raised it up and threw these extensions. That's
Yeah,
so cool.
that's kind of interesting. So you don't see all the suspension
Right,
and stuff.
right.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. Yeah, it's different. That's pretty cool. It's kind of different. And this Mack truck thing. This is a cool car, huh?
Yeah.
This is my neighbor's car.
Really?
Yeah.
Anytime I see a DeSoto, it's always like a little exciting. You know?
Yeah, you don't see too many of them. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Yeah, I was when he first bought it, I was like, this is a really cool car.
How long ago did he get it?
Just a few weeks ago.
Really?
Yeah. He got it from like the original owner. It's been sitting forever. Yeah. It's like nothing. It's really cool inside too. There's like nothing.
I love this color, and I love how it's like a matte.
Yeah, it's
you
like
know?
all, original and like nothing's been done to it.
Oh
And
my god.
it's really cool. Like all the paint is, for the most part, as far as you can see, is all original and stuff. It's a really cool. Yeah, it's a really cool car. You didn't pay that much for it.
Under
Yeah.
like 20?
Yeah.
Not under 10 though.
I don't know exactly how much you paid for it, but it's a really cool, like the color combo. It's just
I know.
I've never seen one of these that looks like fairly nice like this here.
Yeah.
You don't see too many of them in general.
There was one here last week. It was parked about here.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was
It's the same car.
Was it?
Yeah. Yeah, he brought it last week too.
Oh my gosh! I swore it was like an orangish color.
Oh, well, it might have been, but he brought it last week too.
Oh, okay.
But I don't see too many. At least I don't see too many DeSotos, at least.
So right.
But yeah, it's a pretty cool car. Different, at least.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it looks like a kind of a Tri-5 when you walk by it, kind of.
And you're like, no, it's not that. You're like, it's not a Ford.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a cool car.
That did not need to be constructed from the first molecule. In other words, he had to find a platform.
Cool, different car. And you got this Mack truck that this gentleman did a ton of work to. This thing is just amazing. And he just did an immense amount of work to it. I think everybody's taking the DeSoto. That's pretty cool. Because it's a really cool car. Something different, at least. Let us know in the comments if I passed something you guys want to check out a little bit more. Les, good morning. Thanks for watching. This thing's really cool too. It's got like a nitrous purge and all the nitrous lines and all kinds of stuff going on in here. Check that out. It's like a gem and like a gem box or something here. Very cool car. Excuse me, truck. If you're into square bodies. The meat on the back of this thing. I know it's hard to tell. I mean, those look fairly large, but like, if I could even, if I could even get over the wheel wells here, but I mean, those things have to be, I don't know. They're huge. Huge, huge, huge. Cool truck. We got a couple police interceptors over here. Crown Vics. Supercharged Crown Vics. A few more people rolling in. Some people rolling in, some people rolling out. Convertible Nova. Oh. This is the spot right here everybody's going by. Couple of cool Mustangs. Got a long bed. What's up, guys? Got an LS swapped square body. Nice looking vet rolling in. Cool Merc. Really, really pretty Ranchero. Love the color of your Ranchero. Oh, really? Huh. What color is your, what year is your Ranchero? 64. Really nice car. Or crack or whatever you want to call it. very nice. I really like the color. Just wait for people to get out of the way. Go over here and I could get the front view of him pulling out. Morning. I like the meat on this thing. It's got some huge meat on it. Oh, that's cool. I always like when they got the build book here. Got all the pictures of when they were working on it. Got a mad puppy over there. Let's see what it looked like when he first got it. Before and after. Really cool. And we got Blake's sled over here. Sled in the fog. Really, really cool rides. Blake's got a couple really sweet, really nice cars. Just got a really good eye for detail. Just really takes really good care of his cars and really looks out for just all the pieces he needs to put them all together, and he just really does a really good job putting all that stuff together. Not easy to find parts for a lot of these cars.
My friend was in town, my I met him over there.
And if I'm not mistaken, this bad boy's got a straight 8 in it. International Scout. It's kind of something you don't see too often.
Scout, I think so.
That's big money right there. You gonna run over that camera guy?
Maybe. Really, really like this car. Love the lace work on the top. It's all white. It's got some really cool pinstriping on the back. Take some time here and check it out. Yeah. It's got some Supremes on it, some white walls. Got the pinstriping on top of the headlights as well. It's just a really, really clean, really, really cool car. Morning. Good looking Impala. Oops, sorry about that. Morning. Really nice Impala. 63, 64. You guys tell me, what year Impala is this? Bob, Cambridge, PA. I am not an Impala expert, so you guys tell me, what year is this? 61. All right. Well, I said 63, so I was off. Bill says 61. JJ says 60. What's that? Good morning. Got a ride for sale over there. Got a couple nice V-dubs over here. If you're into those.
Every morning too. Everybody's
So, it's a little foggy, so it's hard to tell, but it's got a decent little turnout today. I wasn't sure because of the fog, but do a little wrap around and see what we got here.
Tired of looking. Dead ass.
Search all the way around. Decent turnout today. Morning. What's up?
How you doing, man?
People over there checking out your car.
A lot, I know.
You're gonna be a celebrity pretty soon. See ya. Another Impala. You got the bat. I guess they call them the Batwing Impala, right? And these are really nice too. They got that big Batwing in the back. Can you get a shot of a donut? Not from out here. What's up, Lee? It's a good looking wagon.
Yeah, a couple of girls came in.
Oh yeah?
I was looking at the rag top.
Oh yeah, that's interesting. Huh. What year is that Impala?
63.
Yeah, 63, huh?
Oh, look, it's got the third seat in it, too.
Oh yeah.
9-passenger wagon.
That's cool.
What year is this? It looks like a 65, 63. I got a nice video.
That third seat's really cool. That's really cool. Ragtop's kind of interesting. What's up, man? Good morning. And this is kind of interesting. You got the Batwing on this too, but it's like the 4-door.
Hey, Mark.
We were tripping out on these when they pulled in because they're like a marker and / mirror. Because they're a marker on the front. I haven't really seen anything like that before.
The one I'm getting.
Morning. You know what? When you pulled in, we were tripping out because we'd never seen something that's a marker and a mirror together like that before. Yeah? Did you have a hard time finding those, or did it come with them? Uh-huh. Did they originally come on these? Yes. They did.
Of course they were options.
Right. Huh.
They even have another kind that they don't come with this like this. They're smooth and smaller.
Oh, okay.
More expensive.
Huh.
They call it spotlight mirror.
Spotlight mirrors. Huh.
And you can move them from here. Like back in the old days, if you want to look for an address or a number, you can.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
so
put
so
this
you,
in
if you
yellow.
oh,
You know,
okay.
I put this on yellow, but they originally they're white.
Oh, okay.
For the spotlight.
Oh, for a spotlight.
I have a 58 and I have them exactly the same kind, but they're white. And
Oh.
At night they're just like.
Is that the fog light
Oh,
there?
wow.
Yes, I put
lens.
them as a
The
fog
lens.
light, but I changed the light bulb.
Huh.
To,
Right.
That's really cool.
It's for running moonshine, I think.
It's
The
possible.
moonshine cars have these on them.
Yeah, I love how you you sat and cleared the patina too.
yes, this I sprayed it.
Yeah.
In my garage.
You use like a satin clear for it, or just like a clear coat?
Clear.
Yeah,
Sand it down.
yeah. Use like Scotch-Brite and cleared it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To protect it.
Yeah.
Besides, I'm not planning to paint it right away.
Yeah. No, I think it looks cool. Leave it like that, man. It's cool.
Mine,
Oh, it is.
we got these two flat.
So were all the 4-doors like that, like a notch in the back like that?
Not all of them.
Okay.
These are what they call them flat top.
Oh, flat top.
In the other,
Yeah, because I was looking at the other Impala over there that's a 2-door and it goes, back in the back, but the
it's a 59 also.
oh, okay, and this is a 59 as well,
These two are 59.
but that's the 4-door and that's a flat top. Oh, okay,
And also they have the other one with the post. They
right.
have a post and it's a 4-door with post and post. And it's different. Different shape.
Yeah. So you have 3 59s,
Two.
2 59s. Oh, okay.
They,
Wow.
They came on 59. They came like in, let's say like 6 different models.
Oh, okay.
They have the wagon, the El Camino.
Mm-hmm.
The El Camino was the very first El Camino that Chevrolet made.
Right. Yeah. You don't see too many of those around.
No, I have a friend who's got it.
Uh huh. I've seen a couple here, but not too many.
Yes, and there's the 2-door, this kind. Yeah, I have it.
I can't see I've seen too many of these flat top ones either, the
No,
4-door
not
ones.
very many.
Yeah, I've seen very few of them. I can't say I've seen another one other than this one. Oh, and those are all the different models, huh?
Yes, it shows you right here. This is like this one.
Oh, okay,
Flat
yeah.
top, and these are the options. You can put a
Luggage rack on it?
luggage rack and a flat- I don't know if I like that.
Yeah.
And all these options.
Oh, wow.
The wagon.
Yeah.
Yeah, see,
Okay.
rack. Also, there's the car. and
All the different options
all the
inside.
different-
Wow.
Look at this. These are the top of the line.
Yeah, the
Or-
convertibles.
There's the 2-door hardtop with the Continental.
Continental kit, yeah.
And there's
Different radios.
see a 4-door.
Oh, okay.
The post.
And it's
Not
got
a
the
flat
luggage
top.
rack and the Continental kit on it.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. And look at this. The molding here is pointy,
Uh-huh.
which is these are different. It says Impala.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's different.
And,
Huh.
see, and this is a 4-door.
And it doesn't have the molding.
No, it's more strict.
Oh,
It has
okay.
it's missing a lot of.
It's more
molding.
like the baseline one, huh?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And that's the
Oh, and there's the
wagon.
mirrors you're talking
There's
about
the-
right
yes,
there.
there
Oh,
you
okay.
go. These are the options.
There you
These
go.
are the teardrops,
Huh.
whatever they call them. You have them here.
Wow. Cool.
Yes, they look nice. There's the wagon.
Wow.
Wagon, there's another 2-door with no trim on the side.
Uh-huh.
And doesn't even have the chrome piece on top over here like the other ones. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff in here.
See, 4-door with all the trim.
Yeah.
This is the one I
That's like the
yeah.
top of the top of the line 4-door,
Yes,
huh?
for a 4-door post.
4-door postcard.
Yes.
Huh.
See, it's not the flat tops.
Could you get a 4-door without a post? And that's what this is a 4-door with no post.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
That's
Wow.
the flat top.
Huh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
See?
Wow.
Oh, this is so.
That's really cool.
Yes.
Huh. Interesting. Wow. Cool. What's your name?
Yes.
Miguel. I'm Steven. Very nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Very cool. I've seen you here a few times. Thanks, Miguel. That's cool. Wow. Wow, that was really nice of Miguel to show us that stuff. That's awesome. There's all kinds of cool stuff. Tons of options I didn't know about.
We're trying to figure out because you're supposed to the wagon.
Wow. This thing's clean. Good morning.
How you doing, man?
Good.
We're in London.
Wow, this is really clean. This car looks brand new. That's a really nice looking Valiant.
I wish I would have held on to that.
Oh, that's a really good looking Valiant.
Yeah.
Damn. Huh. Is this your Valiant? Wow, this thing looks brand freaking new.
So it only has 53,000 original miles. It's
Wow.
63, and I got it from a guy. Judge who passed away in Jacksonville, Illinois. He had 3 daughters. They didn't want the car, so they drove to a dealership and said, "What do you give us for it?" And I bought it from the dealership.
Drove it to like a new dealership.
Yeah, so they just drove and said, "Hey, you know, it's like 50 years old already."
And what year did they do this?
2009.
Wow.
And that's when I got it. So I had it trucked here from Jacksonville. But the reason my wife was saying that she learned how to drive a car like a push button transmission.
Yeah.
And I didn't know what that is, so we're looking on the internet.
And that's what this
came up
says.
with like 30 pictures and it was for sale. So I ended up buying it on a whim.
Wow.
2009. That's when I got it. And it looked just like this when I got it. Just had to clean it up a little bit.
Wow.
Fun stuff.
Wow, that's amazing. So the dealership had this just for sale in their inventory because somebody had it traded.
Right next door to brand new cars.
Wow, that's very uncommon. And this, I mean, from the little bit I know from people, is this engine will run forever.
The Slant 6.
Yeah.
They say it's like a tractor engine. You know,
It is.
Compression, you know, big flywheel.
It is.
Torque.
Yeah.
And you can tell when you take off. It's got some torque. But,
Yeah.
that's
The
my
only
part, too.
the only thing I know about these is people don't like to do work on this side because it's a pain in the ass. Other than that, these things will run forever.
Yeah.
I mean, the reliability is ridiculous.
Yeah. And the neat thing about these cars is every time I drive it, somebody looks at it, gives you kind of a nod or a thumbs
Yeah.
up.
And this thing, like the paintwork looks, I mean, it looks like it just rolled off the factory line. It looks beautiful.
I think it had a respray, but you know, other than that, everything's original.
Wow. Yeah, I can't believe when I walked by it. It looks brand new.
Yeah, it's kind of a sleeper.
Yeah, I bet. Wow. Even the inside looks really nice, huh? You got the original manual. You got everything in there. Wow. So the interior and stuff was exactly like this when you got it?
Yeah,
Wow.
the only thing I didn't like with I don't know if this is PV Sonar, but it's got a more modern radio
Right.
and a 6x9, so that's something I'm going to eventually trade out. You know,
Right.
have those ones that look original.
You can put in the glove box or something. So yeah. Wow.
Yeah, this is how it came.
And this is a 63 or 64?
63.
63, yeah. Wow.
Fun stuff.
Very cool car, man. Wow, thanks for bringing it. There's a guy that, when I went to high school, there was a guy that had one of these, but it was a total piece of shit. But he used to put like frozen burritos on like an intake when he left his house. And by the time he got to school, they were heated up. So, I mean, they put this engine in everything.
Yes. So I took a picture of this guy's jacket he had on just a little bit ago. Kind of funny. So it says,
Not a warehouse.
There you go, that's perfect. That's not what this is, but yes. Very cool. Nice to meet you, man.
all right, good seeing you.
Wow, that thing's really cool. It looks brand new. That's awesome. What's up, guys? Wow, this thing's cool. We're here in Corvette Alley, checking out some vets. If you guys are into vets, this is the place for you over here. If you have a favorite generation of vet, basically any generation will be here for you. You even have a Blazer over here. A Blazer with an LS.
On the firewall, they took the whole front end out.
That's awesome. That's cool. LS swap Blazer. That's awesome. Well, there you go. People are starting to get it more and more into 80s and 90s cars and don't have enough power for them though, so they're throwing LSs in them. That's awesome.
Oh, dude.
Got a bunch of people over here. Let's see what we got going on. Oops, sorry. Oh, looks like Blake's coming through. This gentleman's leaving. Blake's rolling in. We're doing a Trident cruise, leaving from here later. Really nice Camaro over here. Supercharged Mustang and supercharged Camaro. I like how they put the intake up around the brake booster there. That's pretty cool. Really nice interior too. Morning. We got the Buick Regal T-Type over here. Buick Regal T-Type, for anybody that doesn't know, is basically the brother to the Buick Grand National. But you can get them in white. You couldn't get the Buick Grand National in white. You can only get them in black. So it's kind of like a cool thing. Got the lifted Studebaker over here. That's pretty cool.
You live right now?
I am.
You got the gimbals on? The gimbal's nice. Huh?
It is, yeah. Is this your car?
Yeah, that's mine. You can use the button to do that shit?
You can, yeah.
Or it's better just use the arm?
Yeah, it's just kind of does its thing.
Oh, nice.
I like your car, man.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah. It's cool that, I mean, most people don't really have any idea what a Buick Grand National is, and then nobody really knows what a T-Type is, right?
Right. they're knowing now. It's like more,
yeah.
More
very cool. How long have you had your car?
10 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. What year is it?
87.
87?
That one's 87 too, the other one, the burgundy over there.
Oh, yeah? Very cool. Good looking car.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah. Really nice. I like the wheels you put. They didn't, those are like the Firebird wheels, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Trans Am.
Yeah, the GTA wheels or whatever. Yeah. Great looking car, man. Very cool.
Trust me on this one. I'm government.
It's got the blacked out grill too. Really nice. Great looking car. Good looking engine compartment. Really nice.
We're going and with the decisions that we've made, we're going to put
really nice.
top of the heap for 2028-ish.
Another one over here. It's an 87 Regal as well. go over here and get a pic.
Shit, we're only 19 days into this bullshit. Okay. Right, yeah. Get ready. Yeah, get ready. Where is she? Where is she? Yeah. My fucking pants. That's where she is. From New York.
Morning. All right. Well, it looks like we're just about to the end of our journey here. Let's check out this lifted truck, and that'll probably be about it. David from London, good morning. I like the, we got a stepping stool to get up here to check it out. Super nice Roadrunner. Well, thank you very much for watching, everybody. And we are going to talk to you guys next week. And I hope everyone has a really nice weekend.